What is the lymphatic system? Well, the lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. It leads a clear fluid called lymph. It contains various valves to avoid backflow.
The lymphatic system has the main function of draining excess tissue fluid into the bloodstream, returning the antibodies forming the lymph nodes to the blood, and transporting the cholesterol and fatty acids that were absorbed in the intestine into the circulation through the blood vessels.
Lymphatic organs are characterized by clusters of lymphocytes and other cells, such as macrophages, enmeshed in a framework of short-branching connective tissue fibers. The lymphocytes originate in the red bone marrow with other types of blood cells and are carried in the blood from the bone marrow to the lymphatic organs. When the body is exposed to microorganisms and other foreign substances, the lymphocytes proliferate within the lymphatic organs and are sent in the blood to the site of the invasion. This is part of the immune response that attempts to destroy the invading agent. The lymphatic organs include the lymph nodes, the tonsils, the spleen, and the thymus. Tonsils are clusters of lymphatic tissue just under the mucous membranes that line the nose, the mouth, and the throat. There are three groups of tonsils. The pharyngeal tonsils are located near the opening of the nasal cavity into the pharynx. When these tonsils become enlarged, they may interfere with breathing and they are called adenoids. The palatine tonsils are the ones that are located near the opening of the oral cavity into the pharynx. Lingual tonsils are located on the posterior surface of the tongue, which also places them near the opening of the oral cavity into the pharynx. Lymphocytes and macrophages into the tonsils provide protection against harmful substances and pathogens that may enter the body through the nose or mouth.
The lymph consists of water, electrolytes, and proteins, which circulates through the lymphatic system. The wall of the lymph has discontinuous areas and endothelial cells which do not have intercellular junctions which make them permeable.
Lymphatic vessels. These vessels only carry fluid away from the tissues. The smallest lymphatic vessels are the lymph capillaries. Lymph capillaries are found in all regions of the body. Small lymphatic vessels join to form lymphatic trunks, which drain large regions.
Lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are small glands that filter the lymph. They are located throughout your body, including your neck, armpits, groin, around your gut, and between your lungs. Lymph nodes drain the lymph fluid from nearby organs or areas of your body.
The spleen is located in the upper left abdominal cavity, just beneath the diaphragm and posterior to the stomach. It is similar to a lymph node in shape and structure, but it is much larger. The spleen is the largest lymphatic organ in the body. The spleen filters blood in much the way that the lymph nodes filter lymph. Lymphocytes in the spleen react to pathogens in the blood and attempt to destroy them.
Thymus. Thymus is a soft organ with two lobes that is located anterior to the ascending aorta and posterior to the sternum. The primary function of the thymus is the processing and maturation of special lymphocytes called T lymphocytes or T cells.
Lymphocytes. The cells of the lymphatic system, the lymphocytes, are a subgroup of the white blood cells. They play a major role within the body's immune defense. because they are able to target and eliminate pathogens. Lymphocytes are formed, like all other blood cells in the bone marrow, where they arise from blood precursor cells, the so-called blood stem cells, and mature in a stepwise process.
The appendix is a pouch of lymphatic tissue that's attached to the large intestine. It's located in the lower right area of the abdomen. Although it's made of lymphatic tissue, the appendix doesn't appear to have much lymphatic function in humans, but it does release some mucus into the large intestine. These patches of lymphoid tissue are located in the mucosa and submucosa throughout the small intestine, although they are more concentrated in the ileum.